Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated Sony A7V, which has just revealed its official specs, price, and release date. With this new release, Sony is once again pushing the boundaries of full-frame mirrorless cameras, and it's poised to make a significant impact in both photography and videography. In this in-depth breakdown, we'll explore the latest features, upgrades, and why this hybrid powerhouse might be the next big thing for creators across the world. Let's dive in. Overview of the Sony A7V. The Sony A7V is shaping up to be a game-changer, especially for hybrid shooters looking for top-tier image quality and video performance. If you've been waiting for the perfect balance between stills and video, the A7V could very well be the answer. This next-gen camera promises significant improvements over its predecessors, especially in terms of sensor technology, autofocus, and video capabilities. As expected, Sony continues to lead the pack. But is the A7V the all-around champ it's being touted as? Sensor and image quality. The A7V is rumored to feature a groundbreaking new 33mm full-frame stacked sensor. This upgrade will provide faster readout speeds, which should eliminate many of the common issues with rolling shutter, especially in video mode. Sony's efforts in boosting low-light performance are especially noteworthy, with reports suggesting enhanced dynamic range that could exceed 15 stops, a dream for those shooting in challenging lighting conditions. The result? Crisp, clear images, with vibrant color reproduction, making the A7V a powerful tool for professional photographers and enthusiasts alike. Battery life and power management. One of the most practical upgrades for the A7V could be its battery life. Although it will reportedly continue to use the NP-FZ100 battery, improved power efficiency is expected. This will allow for longer shooting sessions without needing to change out the battery constantly. Sony has also added a rumored USB power delivery (PD) feature, making it easier to charge the camera quickly, even when you're on the go. This would be a huge advantage for content creators who need to power up between shoots or when working remotely. Pricing and market position. Sony has traditionally aimed for the sweet spot in terms of pricing, offering a balance between high-end specs and cost. Early leaks suggest the A7V will be priced in the $2,500 to $2,800 range, putting it squarely in the mid to high-tier category. While this may seem like a hefty investment, the A7V's potential to outperform its competitors, such as the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and the Nikon Z7 III, makes it a strong contender for anyone serious about hybrid shooting. The combination of a high-quality sensor, professional-grade video specs, and advanced autofocus could make it an irresistible choice for creators looking to level up. Connectivity and workflow improvements. For professionals who rely on seamless workflows, the A7V is expected to bring some much-needed upgrades. It's rumored to feature dual-band Wi-Fi 6 for faster transfers, a USB-C port for quicker data handling, and dual card slots that support both CFexpress Type A and SD UHS-2 cards. These changes will make it easier than ever to shoot, store, and share large files, streamlining the post-production process. There's also the possibility of better integration with Sony's Imaging Edge app, which could offer new cloud-based storage options and remote camera control. These connectivity features are designed to save valuable time, making the A7V a compelling choice for working professionals. Videography features. The Sony A7V doesn't just impress in stills. It's also a powerhouse for video. The camera is expected to support 8K recording at 30 frames per second, as well as 4K recording up to 120 FPS with 10-bit 4.2.2 internal recording. Whether you're creating cinematic footage or capturing fast action, the A7V's video capabilities promise to deliver top-tier results. Sony's advanced heat dissipation system, similar to the one in the A1, is rumored to allow for longer shooting times without the dreaded overheating issues. With added features like enhanced stabilization and dual-gain ISO, the A7V will likely be a popular choice among videographers and content creators. Autofocus and tracking. Sony's autofocus technology has been industry-leading for years, and the A7V is rumored to continue that trend. With improved real-time tracking and new AI-driven algorithms, the A7V could make it easier to track moving subjects, especially for sports and action photographers. Additionally, the camera is expected to feature enhanced low-light autofocus, which will make it a solid option for nighttime shoots or astrophotography. The addition of eye autofocus for both humans and animals will ensure that every shot is sharp and precise, whether you're shooting a fast-moving subject or a more static portrait. Design and build. In terms of design, the A7V will maintain the familiar ergonomic feel of its predecessors, but with some subtle upgrades to enhance comfort. The grip is reportedly deeper, making it easier to hold during long shoots. Additionally, the A7V is expected to feature improved weather sealing, making it more durable for outdoor shooting in various conditions. Another key upgrade is the addition of a larger LCD screen with a more responsive touch interface, which will provide a better user experience, especially for creators who switch between photo and video modes frequently. Conclusion: the A7V's potential. The Sony A7V is shaping up to be one of the most well-rounded full-frame mirrorless cameras on the market. With its advanced sensor, exceptional autofocus, and robust video capabilities, it could easily become a top choice for both photographers and videographers alike. If the rumored specs hold true, the A7V could set a new standard in hybrid camera technology, pushing the boundaries of what creators can achieve. While we're still waiting for official confirmation from Sony, the excitement surrounding this release is palpable. Wrap up: if you're looking for a versatile, high-performance camera that excels in both stills and video, the Sony A7V is definitely worth keeping an eye on. As we await more official announcements, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let us know what features you're most excited about, and don't forget to ring the bell for more updates on the latest tech trends. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.